1 minute.
It's dripping.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Here's the hairless cats. Okay, so I have a wrinkly shirt but no iron. So I saw this trick online. Let's see if it works. Here's the shirt. It is super wrinkly because it was sent to me and it was a package dried up. I'm doing a haul on it and I want it to look pretty. So you take a handful of ice cubes, put them in your dryer. Then the wrinkle, bitch. Bah. Oops. Bah. Then you put it on the highest setting for 5 minutes. Go! As that's happening. Woo! Look at that. Let's see if our thing's done.
Please bring me some beets.
Oh, Coop, what you just did?
He's a helicopter. Okay, well this either worked or destroyed our dryer. So let's see. It's still really wrinkly.
I feel like some of the wrinkles came out, but it's still really wrinkly.
Yeah, that didn't do much.
What? What a fake hack!
Cooper, get out.
I just gave myself a nice press-on manicure. I mean, it looks fake, but I wonder how long these are gonna last. So snowy.
Okay, so Drew and Shaylin are on their way over right now. I am going to hide in the bathroom in the dark and scare them. I'm gonna jump out with the mask on. Hopefully we can get a good reaction out of them.
They're here.
Oh my god, to be seen, we're gonna have to take it to the truck because mom's partner came.
I tried to run quickly out of the way. Okay, we're gonna get Blizzard.
Dairy Queen.
Yeah, and it's like minus whatever outside. It's really cold.
It's, yeah.
Is it that cold? Holy shit, never mind, I'm not going.
The one of the month is Candy Cane Chill.
Ew.
Oh, that's disgusting.
There's peanut butter cookie dough.
Yep. I'm going.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Thanks. So I've always wondered, you know how they give you the Blizzards upside down?
Yeah.
I wonder how long it'll stay upside down for.
We should do that challenge.
Can we do it?
Miraculously ended up with an extra one.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so I got a timer.
It's gonna go everywhere. Can you sure you want it on your phone?
That's fine. Just hold it right on the counter there.
Okay, ready? 1,
2, 3, go.
Is it going?
It's gonna fall on you.
Hold it, don't hold it like that.
Like this?
Yeah.
What if it's like a day? What if we're here for like... How long has it been?
15 seconds.
It's dripping. Portugal.
25 seconds. 45 seconds.
Actually-
Oh.
We are at
It's
1
starting to
minute.
go.
1 minute.
It's dripping. It's dripping all over. Oh, there it goes.
As soon as I was about to like look in it, it was like...
Oh, yuck. Community Blizzard, there you go.
Yum.
Look at how well it was mixed. It's still white at the bottom. We stopped the timer a couple seconds late, but it was just over a minute that it lasted.
You should go sue them for not mixing it at the bottom.
You know how you said they always serve it to you upside down? They didn't this time.
Hello.
Hi.
Come see what we're doing. Dork. So my phone, everyone always asks me, oh, your phone's cracked. Why is your phone cracked? How did it crack? And I always tell people it's just this cover on it. And honestly, I'm like sick of this cover because it's all like cracked. So I'm gonna take it off because I really want the new iPhone and I really don't need this cover anymore. So I feel like it's gonna be satisfying because it's probably gonna shatter all the way across.
They had something at Save on Foods I thought you would really like. There's some flowers for you. I thought that was better than a pool in the living room.
Oh, they're all pink. What? It's almost Christmas.
Oh well.
To do that.
Merry early Christmas. What are you complaining about? Oh, really? Wow. You are grounded. That's just rude. Yeah, that's what I thought. Holy.
We're not being that healthy today. We're having craft dinner for supper just because Dalton has a lot to do and we don't have groceries. What's all over the floor?
There's glitter everywhere and parts of the
rose
Christmas
petals.
tree. Rose petals.
And we're putting some turkey bacon in it, so I'm excited about that. Yeah, because it's like 7 p.m. already. We had Drew and Shay over. Kind of a crazy day, so that's just what we're having. And then we'll eat healthy tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm getting a cosmetic surgery procedure, so if you want to stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog, you'll be able to see that for Vlogmas. So getting the vlog up also late too. It's like 7 p.m., so sorry about that, guys.
These
For
on the
yesterday.
bed for later.
The rose petals?
Mm-hmm.
So you took an ornament off the tree to play with it. This is not gonna happen all December, I will tell you that. We're always picking the squad comment in bed. I'm sorry guys, we won't do that tomorrow. So the squad comment is...
What?
DVIG Stone. He is rude. I don't know who the he is, but I don't know if it's you or if it's Zeph or Patrick. It's probably the best comment that we've got because I don't know who it is. I've already lost one of the press on now. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Goodbye.